Is a barbershop really a profitable business, or is it just hype? In this video, we'll break down the real numbers, rent, salaries, daily income, and test whether a barbershop is actually a profitable project or not, using a realistic feasibility breakdown. When you analyze a barbershop properly, the picture becomes very clear. A well-run single shop with 6 barbers typically pays around $2,000 per month in rent, about $24,000 per year, roughly $8,500 per year for tools and equipment such as chairs, clippers, trimmers, mirrors, and ongoing maintenance, and about $105,000 per year in salaries and commissions, which is consistently the largest cost in this business. On top of that, consumables like shampoos, blades, towels, and sanitizers average $1,200 per month, $14,400 per year. Utilities, internet, POS systems, and day-to-day operations add another $1,000 per month, $12,000 per year, while basic marketing to maintain steady customer flow costs around $750 per month, or $9,000 per year. Altogether, total operating expenses come to approximately $173,000 per year in a realistic, well-managed setup. On the revenue side, a shop serving around 14,400 customer visits per year with an average ticket of $22 generates about $316,800 annually before tax. After applying a realistic 10% VAT or sales tax, net revenue falls to roughly $285,000 per year. Subtracting total operating expenses of about $173,000 leaves a net profit of approximately $112,000 per year in a strong but realistic scenario. That equals roughly $9,350 in profit per month, about $2,150 per week, and approximately $35 to $40 per working hour, assuming a 6-day work week and 10 operating hours per day. When you see these numbers live on a dashboard, it becomes obvious that barbershops can be profitable, but only as volume-driven businesses, where rent control, staff utilization, and consistent daily visits matter far more than hype or unrealistic expectations. If you want to track numbers like these properly, visualize profits and expenses clearly, and understand any project before putting your money into it, you can get this Excel dashboard by visiting other-levels.com, where you'll also find more analytics Excel dashboards designed to track real business performance, not guesses.
This Excel dashboard takes your raw barbershop data and transforms it into clean KPIs and visual insights. You'll instantly see your gross profit, total expenses, net profit, number of visits, average order value, and staff performance. It feels less like a spreadsheet and more like a barbershop command cockpit that helps you make smarter decisions every day. Welcome to Other Levels. Let's get started. We will start creating the background of our dashboard. First, click the top left corner of the sheet to select all cells. From the Fill Color menu, choose black. After that, go to the Insert tab and insert the barbershop logo. Place the logo exactly in the center of the dashboard. The next step is to insert a rectangle shape. This rectangle will serve as the background of the filters panel, and it will have a blue to black gradient fill, as you will see on the screen. Please pay close attention to the color locations, transparency levels, and gradient stops, because these settings help us highlight the logo in the center and give the dashboard a strong brand identity. Once the shape is ready, send it to the back. Now the first background layer is complete. Next, we will insert a background image. Choose an image that matches the branding style of the barbershop. Reduce the image transparency to 84%, and also send it to the back. Now, from the View tab, hide any elements we don't need. We'll now add our first analysis block using a text box. From the formula bar, link the text box to the total income cell. Then we begin formatting the text box. Add a title above it, Gross Profit. From Shape Format, remove the borders and remove the fill for both text boxes. Select the font color, and apply center alignment. Adjust the font size and font weight until it looks clean and professional. We will repeat these exact steps for all remaining KPIs using the same style. The next analysis will display income by category. We need 5 identical rectangles, all the same size and style. Copy one rectangle 4 times. Select them all, and from Shape Format right pointing arrow align. Align them properly. Group them together so adjustments become easier later. Set the rectangle's fill color to black, then reduce their transparency to 39%. The borders should have a brown gradient, exactly as shown on the screen. To maintain the same final look as mine, please follow all the color and transparency settings precisely. Now insert text boxes for each income type. Start with hair services, then insert small icons next to each label to help the audience understand the categories visually. Repeat the same steps for all remaining categories. Now go to the pivot table section. Insert the first chart in this dashboard, income by month. Select the table that contains the months and total income. Then, add a simple column chart. Move the chart to the right area of the dashboard and start formatting it exactly as shown. This chart is important because monthly income is one of the key analyses the client or business owner needs to see clearly. Increase the font size of the numbers to make them stand out, and format the chart so it matches the dashboard theme. Add a title to the chart income by month and center it. Creating the second chart, monthly expenses. Now we repeat the same steps, but for monthly expenses. Select the monthly expenses data, and insert a column chart. The only difference is the column color. Choose red to highlight that this section represents expenses. All other formatting steps remain the same. At this stage, we have completed the entire first part of the tutorial, the dashboard background. Total income, total expenses, total visitors, and other key metrics. Income by service type, monthly income chart, monthly expenses chart. The next video will continue with the second part of the dashboard design, and it will be ready in a few days. Before we end, we kindly ask for your support. Please like the video, share it, and leave your comments with any notes or suggestions. Your engagement is what motivates us to continue creating this type of valuable content. Our goal is to help everyone learn how to build professional dashboards using simple tools, either free or low cost, without complications or expensive software. And if you would like to download any of our ready-made templates, please visit our website other-levels.com. Thank you, and see you in the next video, God willing.